Hey guys, it's Dr. Pearson with First Place Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about the importance of childhood injuries and how it can affect them later in life. So kids, they like to play rough. They trip, they fall, they run into each other, they run into walls. That's anything can happen with kids. And they tend to bounce back pretty quick, which is great. So sometimes it's hard to know when internal injury can happen, by internal injury I mean, a misalignment of their spine, specifically that first bone in their neck. That can be caused from any sort of trauma, especially, I mean, as most of our patients know, birth itself, going through birth is very traumatic for babies. So it's good to get kids in, get them checked out, get their alignment good so that as they grow and as their bones change, there's not any abnormal forces acting on the body. So they can grow up feeling as healthy and as happy as possible and hopefully prevent, future problems from happening and prevent that degenerative process from even starting. So if you guys have kids or even know anybody that has kids, encourage them to get in and see if we can help them and get them adjusted at all. All right. Thanks, you guys.